हाय गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो दिल की बात तनी के साथ। और इस वीडियो की सबसे खास बात है कि ये वीडियो शूट हो रहा है दोपहर में। गाइस फॉर चेंज हम 2 बजे रात को शूट नहीं कर रहे, हम दोपहर को शूट कर रहे हैं। द सन इज स्टिल आउट एंड आई एम फीलिंग वेरी प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ फॉर दिस वेरी लॉन्ग हेयर फ्लिप दैट राइट। ये साइड से करना था बट ज्यादा नहीं करेंगे, बाल खराब हो जाएगा। ओके लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट टाइम। और ड्रामा भी कर लिया टाइम का। सो व्हाट इज द टॉपिक फॉर टुडे? The topic for today is something that I absolutely hate when people do. And you know what that is? Have an opinion about what you should do and what you should not do. पता नहीं मुझे तो इतना annoy करती है ना ये चीज, like I just can't stand it. I'll give you an example of what context am I talking about, okay? So for those of you who don't know, I'm a finance student. Okay, to be very precise, I'm studying for my CFA level 2 exam. And I am very much keen on having finance in my life for some time, or for as long as I can have it. Like, I want to keep it in my life as a profession or in whatever way that I can. And at the same time, you all know, I love all this Bollywood, drama, dancing, talking, being creative. वो तो बचपन से ही था. Because of this, a lot of people, okay, have very mixed unwanted opinions about my life. Number 1, यार तू बचपन से ही ना perfect drama queen है. Like I'm telling you, Bollywood is the place for you. You're wasting your time doing this finance. मतलब क्या ही करना? You just get into Bollywood, बेटा. I'm telling you. अरे आंटी, tell me one thing. आप मेरे को कराओगे टिकट inside Bollywood? First thing मैं बता दूं, मेरा कोई चाचा मामा नहीं बैठा है बॉलीवुड में. And as much as I don't want to talk about nepotism, it does exist. So, number 2, just because I am so to say good at it or I have a very deep inclination for it, doesn't mean I need to take it up as a profession. I am cultivating my passion in whatever way that I can as of now. And एक दिन अगर profession बन गया तो it's well and good. It's not something that यही profession बनाना है, यही profession बनाना है, मुझे नहीं. Yes, I won't lie, as a kid था. But you grow up and you realize the difference between profession and passion. And you learn to distinguish between profession and passion. And I think that's what I've done, right? So I do not really appreciate, I appreciate the fact that, you like my art or whatever, but when you say that I'm wasting my time doing CFA or, studying finance because I am good at this, so to say, like, I just find it so wrong. Like, how could you say that? You don't say that. I don't like it. मुझे मत बोलना आपके वापस. Second type of people, the ones who are very logical, so to say. बेटा, you're really good in this, finance is very good. अच्छा कमाओगे, लाइफ में अच्छा होगा, इसी पे पूरा फोकस करो. Don't waste your time in all this dancing, drama, Bollywood. YouTube क्या रखा है उसमें बेटा? 2 दिन की चांदनी है. Leave it. Put your attention to this finance. It is very good. This will make your future better. Again, auntie, did I ask you? यार समझ नहीं आता मुझे क्या प्रॉब्लम है लोगों को. Why can't I do both? Yes, I don't want to be a jack of all, master of none. That is not the goal. But just because I am good at 2 things or just because I like 2 things on 2 very different things doesn't mean I can't do it. भी बहुत टाइम रखा है दिन में. थोड़ा टाइम ये करो, थोड़ा टाइम वो करो and do it correctly. See why it took me so much time to even start my YouTube channel or even make certain decisions is because I wanted to do it correctly. Like I said, I do not want to be a jack of all, master of none. I want to be as good. I wouldn't say a master. I want to be as good as I can be in whatever I take up. But it's not my fault ना कि मुझे 2 बहुत अलग-अलग चीजें पसंद आई हैं. And I don't find it wrong that I'm doing 2 very different things. As long as I am able to manage it, I don't think anybody's opinion matters. I remember बहुत बड़ी कंपनी थी once, like somebody from this very big company, I will not name, from a financial company, had asked me, okay, so he saw my CV and everything. It was for something, I don't know, it was पता नहीं क्या था. So they were just seeing, जब हम लोग कॉलेज में थे, this was तब की बात. And this guy is like, oh, your CV is very PR oriented. Like in college it seems like you've done a lot of PR stuff. You were in celebrity management, like all college fests में बहुत ज़्यादा वैसा टाइप का किया था. Then why are you studying finance? And I was for a micro millisecond taken aback. So kind of I did expect कि लोग पूछेंगे इस बात पे. And I very confidently smiled and just said one thing. So I can do both. I have one coin with two different sides, and it's a fact. Every coin has two sides, right? One has tails, one side is tails, one side is head. दोनों एक ही coin का है. दोनों sides equally important है उस coin के. It's if you remove the head, that coin will be as useless. If you remove the tails, again that coin will be very useless. Heads and tails together is what keeps that coin together and sane. So similarly for me, finance is a profession. Acting, drama, dancing, Bollywood, whatever is my passion. And I very well intend to keep both of this in my life. Because I don't think I can do without either. At least in the near future that I see. So please, this is just a small request. At least मुझे तो मत आके बार बार बोलो कि are you why are you doing this, why are you doing that? I'm doing it because I have certain perceptions about my own life and I would like to take it the way I've decided. A and B, आप किसी और को भी जाके मत बोलो, because whatever people decide, it's according to them. Some people have their reasons. Some people are just forced to do it, whatever the reason is. So do not जाके जबरदस्ती why you're doing this, why you're doing that. Let them do it. 2 चीजें करनी है, 4 चीजें करनी है, 10 चीजें करनी है. It is on them. And if all those 10 things are 10 very very different things, it is again on them. You are nobody to judge. So please don't judge, and please don't put this opinion that leave this, you're so good at this, leave this, you're so good at this. No, मुझे तो मत बोलना, because I can't leave either. I'm gonna do both for as long as I can. I know it's easier said than done, but that's the point. I know this video is ending up in a little rantish mode, but please guys, don't say this to anybody. It's just horrible. Like, I don't like it. I wouldn't go and tell someone. In fact, I feel very happy when I see people with working corporate jobs, for example, and then they tell me that simultaneously weekends where we take up singing because it's our passion. It's very rare to see, but I feel so proud of that person. I'm like, wow, because you need to have guts to take up time for your passion as well. Profession के लिए सब time निकाल लेते हैं because हाथ में पैसे आते हैं, घर चलता है, etc etc. You end up removing time for profession झक मार के भी. Passion के लिए time निकालना उसके लिए बहुत guts चाहिए. And this is not my खुद की तारीफ वाला video. It is not. I really am not great in either yet. I will be hopefully someday, but as of now I'm not. Yes, I like both of them. There's a difference. And the only thing I would like to say is, yes, I'm proud that I take up time for both of them. And I am, at least as of now, giving time for both of them. And again, point being, just respect whatever everybody is doing. Don't, be like, अरे तुम तो इतने बड़े corporate में काम करते हो, why are you wasting time singing? Sundays also you can Google search some stuff or some deal. नहीं यार, करने दो उसे. If he's able to remove some time for his passion, let him live. In fact, be proud. Don't remove your insecurities on the other person. बस यही बोलना था. बहुत ज़्यादा दिल की बात हो गई in a rantish form, but I know some of you will connect, some of you will be like, पूरा बकवास कर रही है. So for the ones of you who connect, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. For the ones who did not connect and found this just a plain blunt rant, it's okay. Next week कुछ ऐसी बातें करेंगे जो शायद आपको connect होगी. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week with another video. Hopefully again दिन को shoot करेंगे guys. Let's see how long can we hold this track. Okay, फालतू के का nonsense नहीं करना था. Sorry guys. Cut to. Again, like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Until then, lots and lots of love.